We've come a long way from how civil engineers designed and built things in the past. In our technology-driven, interconnected world, we need to think differently about how we deliver infrastructure projects. Every project is now a complex system of systems. They involve a series of increasingly interdependent technological elements, each of which is a system itself. At ICE, we've been thinking about how to improve planning, design and delivery of modern infrastructure using a systems approach. Think outcomes, not edifices. Owners must clearly define the user outcome so that engineers and technology developers can deliver for that use. Close the gap between infrastructure and sectors adapting better to technological change. Cherry-pick best practices to improve delivery efficiency. Owners must own projects. Owners should give direction on everything from functional requirements for the operational system to data requirements and acceptable technology and innovation risks. Future-proof projects use the V-cycle process to establish systems architecture, manage technology development, and upgrade it with minimal disruption. Think shovel-worthy, not shovel-ready. Front-end project development gives clearer project definition, creates a more stable delivery environment, and improves stakeholder engagement and management. Bake systems thinking and risk management into the project DNA. Design an organization and structure that mirrors how you're going to manage risk. Agile leadership adapts to multiple risks in complex systems. Spread authority through empowerment models that listen to the right voices at critical moments, enable skilled frontline people to make decisions and support baton handovers. Data oils your project. Owners should define the vital data for delivering the service, the appropriate collaboration model, and share it through the supply chain. Collaborating around shared data increases productivity, enables integration, and improves operational performance. We work in a systems environment. A systems approach will transform how we conceive, plan, deliver, and operate infrastructure. Find out more here.